Welcome to iDigitize Health and Safety application, where safety comes first. The app allows you to report incidents, record monthly statistics, analyze the data, and view the legal policies. To record an accident, incident or near miss, select Report Accident or Incident, choose the required option of creating a new request or edit an existing one. Ensure that you fill all the required details. Once done, click on Save to submit your request.
From the Edit or View screen, you will be able to track the status of your requests or proceed to the next step as per the role assigned to you. Just scan the QR code to open the form and report a hazard. Complete the form and upload a picture or a video of the hazard identified. Your health and safety champion will be able to view your request from the app. Report a hazard section. To report a near miss, select Report a near miss from the options. And fill the required details.
To enter your monthly statistics details, select OHS and a Statistics option. Click on the plus icon to start recording your data. Once done, select the tick mark to submit. To view the Health and Safety dashboard, select the OHSA dashboard option from the menu. Use the legal register to view government policies and ensure compliance. Search for the required policy and click on the PDF to open the policy document. Safety simplified with iDigitize Health and Safety application.